The memonizerWATER renatures the water in all subsequent water pipes and devices connected to them, regardless of the installation location shown below. The water pipe must be exposed for installation. Any existing insulation must be removed along the length of the memonizer first. There is a separate video on how to remove the insulation. For installation, remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizerWATER and thread the supplied Velcro straps through the memonizer's assembly slots. Hold the memonizerWATER on the cold water pipe and fasten the memonizer with the Velcro straps. Then put the shielding sleeve over the water pipe and the memonizerWATER from the opposite side. That's it. Remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizerWATER and thread the supplied Velcro straps through the memonizer's assembly slots. Hold the memonizerWATER against the water meter from below and secure the memonizer with the Velcro straps. Then shield the protruding areas of the memonizerWATER above the water meter with the additional shielding cardboard. Leave a correspondingly large recess for reading the water meter. That's it.